Hello viewers. So here we are told to differentiate y with respect to x if y is equal to x squared. So what do we do? Very simple. From the first principle, like we have here. So what do we do? Anywhere we see y, we add change in y. Anywhere we see x, we do what? We add change in x. So here we have y, we add change in y, right? Equal to, here we have x, so we put down the x and add change in x. So no longer x, but x plus change in x squared, right? So here we have y plus change in y. You can choose to ignore the bracket though. Is equal to, we simplify what we have here, x squared, then we'll do x times positive change in x times 2. So how do we expand this expression we have here? First of all, we'll do x squared. Secondly, we'll do x times positive change in x times 2. That will give us plus 2x change in x, right? From here. So plus 2x change in x. Then lastly, we do what? We do plus change in x squared. So plus change in x squared. Right? So that's it. So what do we do next? The next thing we'll do is to take y to the right hand side. So we have only change in y here being equal to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared minus y. We've taken y over to the right hand side. But if you watch what we have here, from the beginning, y is x squared. So here, let's change y to x squared. So we have change in y will be equal to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared minus y now is x squared. And if you watch, you'll be having x squared here minus x squared. X squared is gone, leaving us with change in y is equal to 2x change in x plus change in x squared. So that's what we have. What do we do next? We divide all through by change in x. Divide all through by change in x. We'll have change in y divided by change in x is equal to 2x change in x divided by change in x plus change in x squared divided by change in x. So here we have change in x cancelling out, change in x here 1. So going to here we'll have another change in x. So what we have from here, we have that change in y over change in x will give us 2x plus change in x. So what we do next, we're going to find the limit of change in y over change in x. So we'll find the limit of change in y over change in x as change in x tends to 0. So we're going to be having 2x plus change in x tends to what? 0. So what do we have at the end of the day? That the y, the x, will give us just what? 2x. And that's it.